Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to sync Brave browser across both devices, but before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So open the menu on the left right bar, then click on settings, and we found the sync tab on the left side bar. Click on it, set sync setup. So click on start new sync chain, choose for laptop to send syncing with your Brave browser. Choose for tablets, can record on your mobile device to start syncing Brave browser battery on your mobile. You can also choose the computer here to start chain code. So once you enter the computer, navigate to please sync in the text and click the button I have a sync code and enter the sync chain code was shown below. So this is the code to start syncing with your desktop PC for Brave browser. Now this is pretty much it guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.